The protocols of the hospital, all the protocols on how they behave and how they discharge. We don't just discharge.
No, but municipal manager, no, you cannot discharge. I don't want you to discharge before I pay. I am here to pay. Yes. They called me to pay. Now treat them right now. They are my family. Because if at all
they also are family.
If they had people who are supposed to have taken care of them, but if you had done that, I could not be here today. So allow the mothers to go home. Sure. You are mama wetu. Hawa ni wa mama wetu.
Hakuna mtu anaambia watu wewe.
Hapana basi.
No.
Wameachilia jana.
There's a protocol.
I believe
kama imelipwa
mheshimiwa bwana hawa wamama wote wako ndani hao nimetii wako angalia hakuna watu wamelipiwa tusijanganya
anasema watawatoa tena tuwaache hapa walale tena
sasa tukianza kupigana kelele namna hiyo tutapiga sasa namna hiyo tunaenda nyumbani
tutapiga sasa
pigeni tunaenda huko
haina shida
hakuna kuingia hapa hakuna mtu wa kuingia hapana kama mnataka vita ni sawa niende mlete ile tunataka kufanya but it is very wrong. So why do you bring this kind of people so that they can solve that?
Admin.
No,
where do I pay?
Go to the office. We go where is
usinipeleke kwa
that's what we are going to do.
Akiwa mwananchi wa kawaida aende kwa mkubwa
mbona unaleta watu wakuja
nipeleke kwa kashia mbona
unaleta watu
nipeleke kwa kashia municipal manager.
Why can you bring
take me? Are we going to the
hatujakuja na polisi
mmekuja na watu wengine kuna police we are not going to allow that. We are not allowed. Look at these gentlemen wanawaita wengi ndani kwa nini?
Let's go and pay not to the
you have to look at
the cashier.
We cannot allow to just
cashier. Wamama waende nyumbani.
Nataka tu kuvuta watu just like that. Wataenda nyumbani. Can we everybody go back? But this is what it Rudy Monday.
3 months.
Tuache hii ni hospitali, tuheshimu hospitali
and I respect the hospital.
So everybody
and
shall
I am a
move
mother.
this.
What I am saying, I want to be given an opportunity
exactly.
to pay for these 24 mothers who have stayed here for 3 months. And I have said I have come to pay the process here. This is the amount of money. The amount of money is here.
Let's follow what's supposed to be done.
376,970. Yes. Let's go. Nimebeba pesa. I want to go and pay for them. They go home.
Wewe wacha makelele.
Mothers are going home. Mothers are going home. Let mothers go home. Haya mtu wangu.
Niko.
kama wagonjwa waitangwe kwa ofisi enda pale hata wewe usiende kwa ofisi.
Nilipe ndio tuende tukafanya job nyingine. Na pia wewe uende job nyingine ukafanya. Kabisa kila mtu.
See, we don't have to have such.
No, come admin, we are going with you.
Hakuna mtu anaingia.
Admin, we are going with you. Admin, even the other time I was alone. Admin, come tuende. Come, admin, come tuende. Wewe ndio uende job yako na pia mimi niende job yangu.
Kazi yangu iko hapa.
Yeah.
Aboy na ako.
Good morning. I'm Dr. Andrew. I'm the medical here.
How are you?
I'm very well.
Can I tell you why I'm here first?
Yes, very well.
Thank you very much. A week ago, I was called by a woman who has been in the car and she has been here for 2 months now. We also communicated last night, and I told her I was going to pay for her bill so that she can go home. Then I asked her whether she was alone. She told me she was not alone. Then I sent somebody here, as by yesterday, to come and see how much money is this they have not been paid for. And I have with me here, Thibitari. I have a bill of 376,970, and there are 24 mothers. As by now, out of the 24 mothers, the one who has left are 4, meaning the ones who are inside there are 20. So whatever, even if the number has increased or even if the number has gone down, around me those mothers have stayed here for 2 months. I just want to be given an opportunity to pay for their bills, and I go with them home. I allow them to go home. I don't want anything else, just to pay the bill and to make sure that the mothers are home. That is the only thing that has brought me here. If I'm just given where to pay, I just want to pay just to see the mothers outside. If they don't have fare, I facilitate them with fares. They go and then join their families back at home.
Okay, thank you for coming and thank you for your position. Now, I'd like to inform you that healthcare is a process. And we have processes that we follow. And we would request that you respect the processes.
Yes, I am respecting 100%.
We give very good healthcare.
No, I'm not saying you don't.
Kindly allow me.
I'm not saying you don't.
Kindly allow me.
I have just come here.
Kindly allow me. I have given you your chance to speak. Kindly allow me.
All right, Daktari.
We give them very good healthcare. As you know, Kiambu County for the last 6 months does not have any maternal death, does not have any pediatric death. Because we are giving very good healthcare. And healthcare is a process.
Okay.
Once we do our processes,
Yes.
we also have a discharge process, which takes some time. Okay? Currently, all these bills have been waived. All the bills have been waived.
Yeah.
There is no bill.
Yes.
But we are in the process.
When was it?
We are in the process of following that procedure and releasing these mothers. As you have said,
Yeah.
4 were released yesterday. The ones whose
No, they were not released yesterday.
they were discharged yesterday and released yesterday.
No.
And we are continuing the process of waiving these bills and discharging these mothers. So currently, we thank you for coming, but there's no bill to be paid.
No, Daktari.
Because all
Daktari.
this-
Daktari.
because all
Daktari.
these
Daktari.
bills have
Daktari.
been paid
Listen to
and they have
Daktari.
been waived.
Daktari.
No, I've not finished speaking.
Daktari.
So,
Daktari.
our
Daktari.
position is that
Daktari.
there is no bill
Daktari.
here.
No, there is.
There is no bill to be paid. All the bills have been waived.
Yes, Waziri, just to be
And we
sorry,
will request you-
just to be clear,
I want
Mheshimiwa,
to-
just to be clear, so that everybody can see. Just to be clear, Waziri, who is in charge of health, is actually on his way. He's on his way to just confirm that.
Members
Just
of the
to
fourth
confirm that.
estate. I want to
Abana,
listen to
he has
this.
always he's been coming here.
Members of the
Yes.
fourth estate.
So we have to agree.
The ladies who are there, and I know they were already interviewed by Inoro, so Inoro is already there, has already interviewed. It went there ahead. Mothers who are there, my admin, you have a family at home.
Yes.
My Daktari, you have a family at home. If these people came just like any other day, and they have said a process the way they take 2 months, 2 weeks, they are being taken care of. I don't have a problem. These mothers have stayed there for 3 months and 2 months. If at all you wanted to discharge them, you could have discharged them yesterday, because there's nobody who is sick. Do you know there's one child who is starting almost winning, and you have and they are still there. In that already the videos are already taken. So that watu tuongee ukweli, ili ya Mwenyezi Mungu ndio Mungu akiwa juu mbinguni amuone na atuone. Mimi sijakuja vita, hata sitaki vita. Mwenyezi Mungu, wacha wamama warudi kwa watoto wao. 3 months. So 3 months. Thibitari gaimwe atirere andi mini witu na madira ku Thibitari atirere mwigani mwama withira niyo na tie na thina
let's agree on one thing. Let's agree on one thing.
Oko ni mwama withira bai aba wetekire neguo
yes.
Oko ni mwama withira ri ungi withirwo ri andu mekaga atia mama makayuka nigetha atumia acio mamenye ni ngukite na nima ni nguite mbeca sijakuja kukakara sijakuwa mimi nimebeba 400,000 I have 400,000. If at all I am to pay, let me pay. If at all I am not paying, so that I can see what I had come to do is being facilitated. Around, give me a seat. I will not talk. I want to see those mothers going home, so that even if they don't have fare, I am seated here. I will give them.
That's why we
I
are
am
saying.
from seeing them. Wanachungulia kwa madirisha. Mumewafungia huko. Kwa nini mfungie wa mama ambao
wanafungia?
Kwa nini mnafungia wa mama
wanajifungia?
Wewe tumetoka hapo na wewe.
The perception that you are bringing.
Si tumetoka hapo na wewe.
Si umekuta tumefunguliwa. Mama umesikia kama wanapiga kelele.
Wanapiga.
Wanapiga kelele zote.
Wanafunga huyu aliingia.
They are celebrating.
Huyu aliingia.
Hapana sio huyu. Naongea. Si tumetoka hapo na wewe. Si tumetoka hapo na wewe.
Mheshimiwa, let us look at the process. He has talked about the process. He has talked about the process. Can you tell us the reason why you find that these women have been have not
kwa sababu niko na watatu ambao mimi walinipigia simu wakaniambia wamekaa miezi ngapi? Can you interview them? Inoro, you are here.
The reason
Inoro.
You see now, you are complicating
things. Do we give
Inoro
an opportunity? They are for the state. Them they don't take any side. These people don't take any side.
You are complicating things. There is nobody from Inoro here. Watu wote wa kutoka mali.
Gige. Who ni Gige ananipotia nani?
That is okay. But now we are saying this.
So what I am saying,
for us to be able to move forward.
For the state, they are the eyes of the entire citizens of Kenya.
Yes.
Remove Alice Nganga.
Yes.
These people who are already there, and these mothers are celebrating just to go home 3 months soon. 3 months.
We have
3
agreed.
months.
We have agreed with you that we are going to follow the protocols of the county government of Kiambu.
3 months mtu wangu.
That
3
then
months.
we see
Atumia miezi 3.
Mheshimiwa naibu yenyewe utoegete yote uone biro ya tuti. Ona iwone biro ya tuti. Ona iwone maundu maria na tondu twina waziri wa confirm ri. Sio wewe unamtoa. Tuketi chini pale uone watu wakitoka pole pole. You cannot see now. You cannot just remove just a short time. Within half an hour we'll have done.
Okay.
Tutakuwa mama atakuwa ameenda
nyumbani. Yes.
So finally bill mumeweba.
Hiyo imekuwa wewe.
Simpigie makofi kwa sababu
pigia magavana.
They have to wait for us to come here. They have to wait for us to come here for them to waiver.
That's true.
They have to wait for us to come here for governor to waiver for 24.
Last week is on Kiambu.
3 months.
Good months.
3 good months. Mothers have been here in Ruiru. Walipata watoto wakafungua kwa sababu ya hii bill. Kuna wengine wako na 7,000, kuna wengine wako na 10,000, kuna wengine wako na 31,000, kuna wengine wako na 20,000, kuna wengine wako na 37,000, kuna wengine wako na
heshima kidogo inastahili.
So
juzi tumekuwa
kidogo.
Unajua mimi niko hapa na uchungu wa mama. Watu wa media estate 3 months. Mama amefungiwa 3 months.
Juzi tulikuwa hapa Kiambu.
3 months.
Pia waende nyumbani.
3 months.
Tunataka kuwapatia fare. Ndio tunawapa.
hata pia sisi tunapeleka.
3 months.
Sasa mnapeleka. Hata sisi kukuja mmepata
Wacha stori zako. Tutakozana na wewe.
Mieri itatu gai muira mieri itatu
basa liotare na fomu umurageria gwika isla ikini basa liotare na fomu
the last time
tunaongea Ruiru, tunaongea maneno. Unajua unajua Nika walitolewa na Mheshimiwa Bazenga. Nika walitolewa Mheshimiwa Bazenga. Ule ana aspire kuwa governor Nairobi. Alitoka all the way from Nairobi. Akakuja na Nika. Akawalipia bili yote na akawalipia mpaka fare nyumbani. So mimi nimesema hivi, wacha hii trend ikatae kuendelea. Me I am here, just give me an opportunity to pay for this matter.
Now that you have talked with the Noro, can I also address them?
Please.
Now, address them. And I want to say this, that it is important that we follow the protocols of the county government of Kiambu and health department. It is wrong for anybody to come and storm a hospital and demand for discharge or removal of people where we know that everything has been taken care of. And everything has been paid for by the county government of Kiambu, led by His Excellency Governor Kimani Wamatangi. So let us not politicize health issues. Let us ensure that everything is taken care of the way it is. But let us not have people coming to do their politics in hospitals. Let people do their politics outside there, but in hospitals. And that is why you find people like this who are shouting at me because they do not know what's supposed to be done.
They don't know they're paying to have a baby.
We have very many people in this.
We want our mothers to be
and
discharged.
everybody is going to be taken care of. We have outpatient here that is still ongoing, and people are receiving all the treatment that they are supposed to be receiving. So let us follow the protocols that there so that people can be respected. We have doctors here who are waiting to treat our patients here, but now they've been disrupted. Why should we disrupt services of the hospital? Why should we disrupt the hospital? Because somebody wants to for political mileage. Let us be honest and let us be clear on what is supposed to do. So let us wait until we have senior officials from Kiambu who are going to come and clear the whole air about what is happening.
Wanangojea nini kama mume wetu? Discharge mothers. Mlikuwa mnangoja tukuje kudischarge. Mama ni Simba.
Mimi niko cash office. Wacha kusema porojo. I am in cash office to pay for those mothers. Please discharge mothers. Discharge them.
As simple as that. Yes.
3 months. 3 months. 3 months. Surely 3 months.
Mtoto anaanza kukula akiwa kwa ward.
3 months. Hapana, miezi 3 ni mingi sana.
Mheshimiwa, Atumia sio mara pirata. Atumia sio mara kwa maikarita idarega nate.
Atumia sio maikarita kwa miezi 3. Na heage maigirire goko mweri wa 2. Ongirora fomu ino uria yandikitwo haha. Ruiru Level 4 Hospital bill cases from January 2026 to June 2026. Marito ma mothe a Naomi, a Sylvia na besiria magirwo makiriha na ukona na nini kukuite besiria magirwo korwo makimarihira nigetha mainuke. Ungiona muciari mothe ukite ha agaikara mieri 3 ina 5 atari ariki ni ndu wa ndiragirio kumarihira bill niki no korwo menda kuma discharge matingia kuma discharge mbere mataninite mieri 5. Atumia mieri 5 thibitari kai mwega handu matarĩga
wa makora mahingĩirwo
nĩ mahingĩirwo nyuma kuo na nĩ magiria ndĩmone ndayamera nyambe ndihe mbeca nĩgetha tuge nao rĩu manjia kuga nĩ process nene manjia kuga atĩ nĩ makũira mbeca ici and yet niĩ nĩ nguĩte mbeca cia kũrĩha bill ĩno yothe mũrona haha na bill nĩyo ĩno ya generate haha ĩno yumĩte ĩno nĩ yao ĩno nĩ ya kuma cash office yao maraiga andũ aya othe ũguo ũrona cigakinya 376 twagirwo kwa tukiruta andũ na kwina arwaru angĩ na waya maingĩri ona maingĩrire January mbeca imirwo ina andũ mena 107 now mena 128 Besa ciothe cionganĩrĩrio ciroka 500 ma 50. I was willing to pay. Andũ acio maikarĩte gũkuma Ngai mũira maikarĩte kuma mĩeri 5.
Okay, Mheshimiwa, hĩndĩ ĩrĩa atumia acio makuona nĩ tũigua makiuga mbu na magĩkũngũĩra mũno. Na kũringana na andũ haha online marauga ndũgatigĩrĩre ndũkaume ũtigĩrĩre atumia acio nĩ mauma. Kũringana nawe kũngĩkinya atĩ rĩngĩ ndũnona atumia acio na rĩngĩ ũguo gwakĩgĩa na maũndũ maingĩ haha.
Njikarĩte haha ndiuma gũkũ tondũ niĩ ndĩ ũkuĩte mbeca mainũke-rĩ matikĩreke ndĩmarĩhĩre mainũke. Nĩ ũraimagine ũtarĩ wona na atumia wamona hau nona magũcũthagĩrĩria ndirica-inĩ. Atumia acio mena twana tũngĩ mũciĩ, mena athuri mũciĩ, mena responsibility mũciĩ. Rĩrĩa ũkũmanyita ũkamaiga mĩeri 5-rĩ ũrakĩmaigĩra mĩeri 5 gũkũ magĩka atĩ ta matangĩreka tũmarĩhĩre mainũke. Angĩkorwo nĩ mendaga kũwĩva-rĩ mangĩawĩvĩte iyo kana iyo rĩu rĩngĩ kana last month kana mweri ũcio ũngĩ wena kana mweri wetatũ tondũ atumia maingĩrie gũkũ mweri wa ĩrĩ. Seriously speaking, matireke aciari a mainũke, and this is very unfair. Andũ magatinda makaiga atĩ nĩ mawĩvĩte. Do they have to wait for us nigetha marekereria atumia? Do they have to wait for mothers to stay for 5 months so that they can reason? It is very unfair. They are saying it is politics. Which politics when mothers have stayed for 5 months? Which politics? And yet ni ndithiĩte kũrĩa marĩ njikarĩte cash office kuriha nyone makiuma tumanie nao ngĩmarĩhagĩra fare makĩinũkaga tondũ ona okorwo maikarĩte kwa mĩeri 5-rĩ maruta nginya mbeca cia kũinũka ho. What is wrong with that? And these people are 24. These mothers are 24. 24 mothers.
Thank you.
Seriously.
Thank you.